Welcome, ladies. We're going to jump right into our quick total body vinyasa flow. So getting comfy at the top of your mat or at the beach or wherever you are, we're going to inhale, reach the arms high, grabbing the left wrist and gently reaching over to your right, stretching through the side body. Inhale back to center, grabbing the opposite wrist, leaning over to your left. Get a nice stretch through the exhale. Inhale back to center, exhale, fold from the hips, diving forward, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen, hands can come up the shins. Exhale, fold. Now we're going to roll up through a full inhale and exhale, one vertebrae at a time. Inhale up, arms reach. Exhale, hinge from the hips, again diving forward. As you inhale, we're going to bend through the right knee and twist open to your left. Stay for the exhale, nice twist through the torso. And then release, come through center. We're going to switch sides, bend through the left knee, and twist open to your right. Nice big stretch through the chest. Exhale, release. And again, rolling up. Take a full inhale and exhale to feel through each vertebrae. And come up to standing. Inhale, reach, arms overhead. Exhale, hinge from the hips, diving forward, leading with the heart. Beautiful, ladies. Nice job. Inhale, flatten the back, lengthen, and fold on the exhale. Release. Inhale, reach. Reverse swan dive up, arms overhead. Exhale, hands to the heart. We're going to inhale, switching things up here, bringing your right knee up. Exhale, step back about 2 feet, folding over the left leg as the toes peel up. Inhale, knee comes up. Exhale, twisting open to your right. Stay with me here. It's a little bit of a balance, a little bit of trick. Arms reach overhead. And as you exhale, stepping back, low lunge. Inhale, left arm reaches up. Low lunge twist, and then bring the hands to frame the front foot. We're going to jump switch, and we're going to start over on the other side, bringing the left knee up as you inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, step slightly back, right toes peel up as you fold over, bowing over the right leg. Inhale, lift back up, knee lifts, and exhale, twist to your left, arms open. Big stretch through the chest. Inhale, arms reach. Exhale, step way back, low lunge. And open to your right on the low lunge twist. Nice. Let the chest fall open. Bring the hands back to frame the front foot. Jump switch. We're going to do that on the other side. Inhale, right knee lifts up as the arms reach. Exhale, step back, bowing over the left leg. Toes peel up. Inhale, knee back up, arms reach, and then open to a twist to your right. Hold on to it. It's okay if you fall out of it. Inhale, back to center with the knee lifted. Exhale, big step back this time, low lunge, twisting to your left. Let that left arm reach and open behind you. Exhale, hands back down, jump switch. Inhale, left knee up, arms reach overhead. Exhale, small step back, right toes peel up as you bow over the right leg. Inhale, lift back to center. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale, back to center. This time, exhale, way back. Low lunge, keep the left arm planted, right arm twist open, leaning back, nice. Hand back down, and from here we're going to transition, coming into Cossack squats. So lean over to your right, coming onto the right foot as the left leg stretches, and switch. Using your fingertips for support here, getting a nice stretch through the inner thigh and the hips, taking about 1 breath per side. Exhaling down, inhaling to switch, staying low if you can, working out through those hips. Rotating back towards center, so the right leg should be forward into a low lunge. And then we're going to shoot the right leg up and back, 3-legged down dog. Coming into down dog here, settling both heels down towards the ground. Inhale forward into plank. Exhale, hips lift up and back, down dog. We're going to flow through that one more time. Inhale, roll through the spine into full plank. Exhale, hips up and back, downward facing dog. Lifting the right leg up, 3-legged down dog. Exhale it, crossing it over to the left elbow. Inhale, up and back. Exhaling it to the same side elbow or shoulder as you come into plank. Inhale, 3-legged down dog. And exhale, bring the knee all the way straight through into a lunge. Inhaling the arms overhead. Turning the palms to face forward, and we're going to exhale, dip the back knee down and pull the arms down into a W. Inhale up, Exhale, pull the shoulder blades down the back. This should feel really nice stretch on the back. Working on strengthening the mid to upper back. So every inhale, you're going to reach the arms overhead. Exhale, drop the back knee and pull the shoulders down the back. Holding with the knee lowered. We're going to stretch here, interlace the fingers and open up through the chest, bringing the gaze slightly up. Letting the hands, the fists reach down the back. Releasing the fist and coming back into plank. Shoot the right leg up into three-legged down dog and then settle back into both feet in down dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take your time here on this breath. Inhale, rolling forward through the spine. Exhale, hips up and back. Inhale, left leg reaches. Exhale, cross it over into plank, reaching to the opposite elbow. Inhale, leg up and back. Exhale, same side elbow coming into plank. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, knee to nose, and then come into low lunge here. Inhaling into high lunge, arms overhead. And then we're going to do these pulls again. Exhale, pull down, back knee drops. Inhale, legs straighten, arms reach. Exhale, pull the shoulders down the back. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull, feeling that stretch to the shoulders and strengthening the upper back. Exhale, last time, we're going to hold with the knee bent, back knee bent. Holding this lunge, we're going to interlace the hands the opposite way, the awkward way. It's the opposite thumb on top and start to open through the chest. Gaze reaches up. Exhale, release, hands frame the front foot. Then shoot the left leg up and back, three-legged down dog. And then exhale, we're going to cross it over to your right elbow. Use your core here to extend the foot, coming into supported side plank. So the leg shoots all the way through, rolling onto the outside edge of the foot, and then lift the hips up into the supported side plank. Carefully release. Use the abs to lift the foot up and bring it back to downward facing dog. We're going to inhale, right leg up. Exhale, going to the other side. Cross the right knee over to the left elbow, then shoot the leg out using the core. Outside edge of the foot, lifting those hips up. Reach to the top arm and open up. Carefully unwind, releasing. Lifting the right leg up and back into three-legged down dog. And we're going to carefully walk the feet forward or jump. Inhaling, arms reach overhead. And then exhale, release. Hands come to the heart. Beautiful job, you guys. Hang with me. We got a little bit more to go here. We're going to go into some longer holds now. So moving on from the vinyasa, which is one breath per movement, to a bit longer holds here. So we're going to start with the quad stretch. So bringing the balance into the left foot, right foot comes behind you. Camille, my friend, is going to be showing you how you can stay here with just stretching the quad. Just work on tucking the tailbone under and really working into stretching the quad. Opposite arm reaches overhead. I'm showing you a progression into dancer, bringing the hand inside of the right foot and starting to kick the foot into the hand. So there's action of the foot pushing into the hand and the hand pulling back. Reach the chest forward as the left arm reaches and get a nice stretch, slight back bend, as well as a stretch to the left hamstring. Good, shake it out. So you can stay with the quad stretch if that feels like your balance is kind of off today and you just really want to focus on stretching the quads and hip flexors. You can stay here, follow Camille, or go with me into dancer on the left side. Walking the hand to the inside of the left foot, start to kick the foot into the hand. So really dynamic motion here. Working on the end range of motion by kicking the foot into the hand, getting a nice stretch to the hip flexor, a bit of a back bend, a stretch to the left shoulder, and a stretch to that right hamstring. So really awesome stretch for the whole body here. Good, nice. Using the focal point, so finding one point to focus on and using your breath for your balance on those. Good, shake it out. If you fell out of it, don't worry, that's part of yoga. That's actually a really important step of your yoga practice is falling out of it with grace. Moving on to your bottom here, so coming onto the mat or the sand, get settled. Get the sitting bones underneath you, pull away any extra flesh if you have it. Extend the right leg out, left knee bent with the foot inside the right thigh. We're going to inhale up, starting with a twist. Bring the right hand outside the right leg, or left hand, outside the right knee. And the right hand can come behind you for support in the twist. That helps you line up over the right leg. Inhale, arms overhead, and then exhale, folding over the right leg. So don't go to your end range of motion here. Just go to where you comfortably fold. And take another inhale to lengthen through the spine, and then exhale, start to deepen into the stretch. Taking our time here, we're going to take a few deep breaths here. I like to cross my hands to help even out my shoulders. So notice your shoulders, one might pop up higher than the other. Try to just even them out the best you can. Crossing the hands might help. You can have the hands on the shin, on your ankle, on your toes or the foot, wherever you can comfortably reach. It doesn't matter if you reach those toes. It really doesn't. Nothing changes. You don't get enlightenment suddenly. So just go where you comfortably can, and then breathe and let time and breath lengthen you over the leg. Okay, switching sides. We're going to extend the left leg out. Right knee folds. Bringing the foot inside the left leg. We're going to inhale up. You're going to have the left hand behind you for a kickstand to lengthen through the spine, and then the right hand will just be outside the left thigh or knee or shin. Use this time to twist for a couple breaths. Get you situated over the left leg, then inhale, lengthen, exhale, let yourself drip over your left leg. So find where you can go to about maybe 50 to 75% of your full stretch, and then use the next few deep breaths to really lengthen out into maybe more closer to 100% of your stretch. You want to ease into that full deep stretch. Using your breath, every inhale lengthening through the vertebrae, every exhale releasing and relaxing over the left thigh. Beautiful job, you guys. Use your breath on these longer holds to really deepen into the stretch. Nice job. Almost done. You guys have done a beautiful practice today. Really getting through the whole body and done. We're all done. So high five to you. Thank you for joining with me. This would be a great warm-up or cool down after your workout. Hope to see you guys again soon. Thanks again.